Now I am writing a series here, just check it. I have written 1, 3, 9, 27 like this. Now is it AP? 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6. So it means it is not an AP series. Okay. So now we are going for the geometric progression. Okay. Next important topic is geometric progression. Now let's go for a definition first. Definition. Now a geometric progression in which the ratio of any term to its predecessor is always the same number. For the preceding term, okay, to its predecessor is always the same number. The ratio denoted by r, small r. The ratio denoted by small r is called common ratio. Now in the arithmetic progression, what we were having? In the arithmetic progression we were having common difference. Now here we are having common ratio. Okay. Once more. Now again geometric progression is, or let it be geometric progression denoted by GP. Now we are denoting geometric progression by GP. Arithmetic progression was denoted by AP. This by GP. Now the geometric progression GP is a sequence in which each term except the first one, each term except the first term is obtained by multiplying with a fixed number, by multiplying with a fixed number. Now let's write it again. With a fixed number to the term immediately preceding. Okay. Now what I have rubbed? I rub this series. Now example 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, like this it continues. Now go through both the definition. In the first part, what it is written? A geometric progression with the ratio of any term to its preceders. Okay. For example, here A1 is 1 and A2 is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 9, or you can write it T1, T2, T3. Now A2 upon A1, this is R, and A3 upon A2 is also R. So if the common ratio is same, then we are saying the series is a GP. Okay. Same thing I have written here now. You can just check it. Geometric progression is a sequence in which each term except the first term, okay, is obtained by multiplying with a fixed number to the term immediately preceding it. For example, now 1 multiplied by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 27 is 81, like this. So, this is a new series and this is called a geometric progression series or geometric progression sequence.